Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is an update on how to crochet a Florina cardigan. In this tutorial I will navigate you on how to understand the pattern structure and if you need or don't need working on increases on row 31 after you form body shape and sleeve shape. In addition, I have made changes to row number 30 if you don't require increases. How to know if you need an increase after you form the sleeves and the body shape. If your bust measurements is similar to your hip measurement, plus minus 6 to 10 cm, or you prefer more straight line design, do not add additional stitches on row 31. Additional stitches are required if your hips are much wider than your bust, but you can also add extra stitches if you like a wider shape. If you don't require an additional increase, please increase just one stitch on row 31 mid-back by working 2 stitches into a 1 stitch. Why do we have to add 1 stitch? It is because row 30 has a countable amount of stitches and the pattern on row 32 require an uncountable amount of stitches. Therefore, we have to add 1 stitch on row 31. If you decide to increase, look at the pattern instruction where it says 24 stitches will add 17 cm to the round. If you think 17 cm is too much or too little, make adjustment by adding 6, 12, 18, 24 stitches. We can also add just 12 stitches. It will add 8.5 cm to the round. And on top of that, 1 additional stitch is required to create uncountable amount of stitches on the row. Why do we have to increase only by 6 stitches? It is because this pattern requires 6 stitches and an additional stitch to finish the crochet work. I hope this information is useful for you. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to working with you in the following tutorials. For those who are new to my channel, if you like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your day or evening, and I will see you soon.